Welcome back to the House Channel. It's me, Packy, and today we have challenger Brent Bowers. You can see we're standing on lane 11 here at the National Bowling Stadium, which means we've stripped this lane, absolutely no oil, and we're gonna compete to see who's the best. That's what we're always here for. We're always here for fun until I whoop him. What happened to his ball? You see, I'm a professional, so I came super prepared, and Brent is an amateur, so he came without a bowling ball to a trip where we were gonna film bowling videos. So hopefully he'll get one by the end of the day. You turn this camera to record mode. Need my towel. I'm all over the place. Audio quality probably better than my spare game. Hey! Perfect.
You should wager some push-ups.
1 push-up.
Oh, come on.
5 push-ups for every strike thrown in this game.
Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, that's not bad.
All of your strikes are 5 push-ups.
Is a spare worth 2?
No, spare's worth nothing.
All right, we get a whole game on no oil with bowling balls that shouldn't hook, but we're gonna be surprised.
I would say advantage non-professional here.
Good luck.
I appreciate that. I'm gonna need
A little more spine tilt. Hey, chance to really make a special moment here. You said they don't bounce here, but you got to change your mindset. I think you can do it. Oscar could bounce that out. I think your attitude determines your altitude, and son, you're flying pretty low right now.
That's what they say.
And it's good.
3 points.
16 pounds. I need tape. Believe it or not, I think it is important enough that I do. Bar was set pretty low.
7-0.
Ah! All right, over under on plinking the tin now. Ginger, did you bring your equipment? We're gonna need to sub you in. You know, the 4-pins used to be prevalent here, but it's not twister pins anymore. Sir, that's my towel. It's been a long time. I'm excited to be invited back to the channel.
Oh, okay, all right.
I still got the over under on what you're doing here is not very good.
What? What do you think I'm supposed to do?
Are you willing to wager a push-up on this spare?
No.
Just gotta polish my ball.
You look like the Jesus.
That makes me f***ing sick. Well, what do you care, Walter?
I talked to my pilot the other day.
What's that again?
I talked to my pilot.
I didn't know the channel had gotten that successful. You have a pilot?
Yeah, I talked to my pilot because we fly private now on the house. I talked to my pilot and he said his favorite movie of all time was Kingpin.
Golly, I can't. You don't want to catch it with the fingers.
No, so I filmed a video similar to this with Kev, and I thought they were dry. Not like this. This is legitimate 0.
Go!
Oh my God, that's huge.
That would have been a strike if I could have done that the first one.
Yeah, your first ball average is 2.
But now we're on a spare, so the first ball this next time is going to matter. Once again, loser does 5 push-ups for every strike the winner gets.
Yes. So I'm hoping it's 0 regardless at the end of the video.
And if you get a double, I think it's worth like 5 times 5.
At least, yeah, I think it's at least 25.
25.
Yeah,
if you get a triple, it's 5 times 5, so it's 5.
So that would be what,
125 push-ups.
And then if you get a quad, it's 5 times 5.
And you'll be doing push-ups
5.
the rest of the trip here in Reno.
All of you watching this video can let me know what 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is if we get like a 5 or 6 bagger. Okay. That's good.
So good it left one.
So good it got 9. We're thinking this is definitely a spare. I just shot one just like this and missed it. I bet I could bowl a better game one-handed than I could two-handed.
That would have been a great first ball.
It's just like the second it touches the lane, it just hooks a little bit to the left. I'm not talented enough for this video. I can't wipe my balls like the Jesus.
I think I'm playing like 8 at the arrows, down lane break points. Like I'm gonna try to get it around that down lane rangefinder.
I think you made a mistake when you said down lane break point.
Oh boy. 7 is a new first ball record for me, and it's good because it's pressed up against a 3 spare. I think you should have to bowl with that next time.
This is probably the dirtiest thing that I've put on my head in a long time. All right, quick little break in the action halfway through. Huge shout out to Reno, Tahoe, and the National Bowling Stadium for sponsoring this video, giving us the facility and the opportunity to come out and film, in my opinion, one of, if not the greatest bowling stadium on earth. So shout out to them. Huge thank you for their support, and don't forget, check in later for more videos from the National Bowling Stadium just like this one.
And we don't have to be the greatest, but maybe the most unique. I didn't dress appropriately for this. Give it a little backup, love.
You could try whatever you think is gonna work. Okay, that's good for me. That's good for me.
I think 9 every time is gonna be more than enough.
I'm averaging 8 a frame. Here we go. This one's a strike, and that's a guarantee. Oh! A little excited at the bottom there. You can't turn it with the hand. And the one thing I do, you gotta keep the pre-shot routine the same. So even though there's no oil on the lane, I still wipe my ball off from oil. You said 9 a frame's good. I'm pacing about 8 a frame.
That's perfect for me.
It's not perfect for me, I'll tell you that.
Did you put baby powder on this approach?
I actually tapped your rosin on the approach. Oh my God.
Steve Reich for the push-ups. Doggone it, doggone it.
Oh.
Is this a certified competition? I think I've got some room for this. Get a little aggressive.
I might switch up the strategy here. I'm getting about 8 a frame, but it's looking a little short. Shout out to Lloyd and his production for making this video look better than all of the other videos that we've ever filmed. I'm going 2 fingers, 1 hand. Make it. Why
Just checking the, we might have to null and void this game. I mean, the foul lights are on.
No foul lights? You know what they say though, there's no fouls in action. Oh my God. I don't know, but they are so slick now that you put powder all over the approach.
That's for you, B. Oh, come on. Come on, trip 4 at the National Bowling Stadium. I am living right.
To my 14th round Brunswick house ball. I think the one-handed strategy is the strategy. Okay, so for you, my viewers out there, 1, if you want to help me out, give that channel a subscribe. Maybe we could reach 100,000 pretty soon. 2, what would your strategy be to attack this? Would you go one-handed? Are you trying to hook it, or are you just throwing it as hard and straight as possible? And I'm just checking out me knocking down these 10 pins over.
Interesting how, yeah, when in doubt, you got to go back to the traditional method.
One-handed is the play.
Oh, all right, look. No rules in action, I think is what you said earlier.
There are no fouls in action.
Listen, if we're gonna say no fouls in action, that's a rule of the United States Bowling Congress. If you're gonna avoid one rule, you avoid all the rules.
You know what they say though, there's no fouls in action. If you feel like that was fair, then you can play that.
Oh.
I hope you missed this. Everyone, raise your hands.
Little extra ring finger the other way. I think we've clearly found the environment where I do have the advantage.
Oh, that's on a spare.
On a spare.
That's devastating. That's 18 right there. That's my 18 that I needed.
Do we even have to finish this? Or I guess when I win, you'll owe me what, 9 push-ups? This was not the ball intended for use today. My good friend Jeff Jensen's working on an IQ tour for me over at High Sierra. But I'll have to spank Packy with this until then. Oh, mark it down for 5 more push-ups. Can you do 10 push-ups in one sitting?
I just need to make this respectable. I'm just looking to get to 100 here, and I don't think it's gonna happen.
Hey, hey, hey! Oh, that was as good as it was gonna be.
Dang. I feel like I've really gotten the hang of this now. If we
One
work the
game.
bowl again, I feel like it
One
would
game.
not be good for you.
And we did say the double was worth 125. No, 25. The double is, this is a big one.
No, we did not agree to that though. We were joking.
Your mom's watching, and his word is his word.
You know, I would have done 25 for you too. I would have.
Sure.
I thought this would be like 150 to 150.
Yeah.
Little did I know that my skill level is not nearly as high as Brent's.
Back at the Rock, you rocked me with the 6-pounders.
That's because you couldn't even get your hand in it.
You call me fat?
No, I'm saying they are children's-sized finger holds.
They're little people, Pack.
I'm gonna need some strikes here if I'm gonna have any chance in beating you.
Well, if you can do it with a pencil, you can do it with a ball.
I got 130 left.
If I get good count here, Ginger's throwing my 10th frame.
I'm looking for like a 3 count, hopefully. Yeah, you are just the luckiest man alive.
Well, you know, some would say blessed.
I have a personal slogan of you always create your own luck, whether it's mentally or literally putting yourself in the right position all the time. You create your own luck.
You know what? I don't need to spare it. Ginger's throwing my 10th frame regardless.
I hope I strike out, put some pressure on Ginger, but I highly doubt it.
Oh, yeah. Please, anything you want. Pick.
Oh. Damn.
This game is over.
Oh.
You've been working at the National Bowling Stadium since 1997. Let's go. Come on. I know this feels strange.
Yes, it does.
But there you go.
This is not allowed.
And this is why I
Yeah,
love
yeah.
Brent.
There you go. Yes!
Oh.
That was a really good shot.
1997, you worked every major event here.
One.
Ah, God.
Really great game. Oh my God.
2 strikes for me, 1 for you, 10 push-ups. Not to be done now, preferably when we're like at dinner with the mayor or something. We gotta have a good time.